bleed silent when I'm choking on the dirt. Reaper, fear me. Should get an OnlyFans, shut my mouth and follow commands. Be mindless and spineless and wearless and worship them like I'm never good enough unless I satisfy their lust. But you won't see me giving up, don't want money from pleasing a man. Hey girl, your only value is your pretty face and your body. Oh, quit taunting and put it all on display. Yeah, you demoralize and objectify, but it won't make me change. And if I became your victim, I'd still be blamed for the rape.
You try to pull on my strings, you're playing with me, you're dancing with death. You try to pull on my strings like you control me.
I know what you think. I'm a toy, I'm an object. I don't deserve any respect. It's my fault, I guess I asked for it. In my place again, I'm under you even in bed. Pay me less cause I'm worthless. I'm no deeper than my flesh. And since you're here is elected, shh,
are you listening?
You can choke on your fetish. They always tell me strip down or cover up, but I never ask, so you can shut up. You're taking shots, but it ain't getting me drunk. You say I'm a bloody mess, I'm a cycle that never ends. Oh yeah, how's that work?
Can you mansplain it again?
You call me a feast, but I'm over here starving. Shut your comments deep down my throat without warning. I never gave my express consent. Yes, equality's irrelevant. Just say I can't control my emotions, but you can handle rejection.
You try to pull on my strings, you're playing with me, you're dancing with death. You try to pull on my strings like you control me.
I know what you think. I'm a toy, I'm an object. I don't deserve any respect. It's my fault, I guess I asked for it. In my place again, I'm under you even in bed. Pay me less cause I'm worthless. I'm no deeper than my flesh. And since you're here is elected,
Shh, are you listening?
you can choke on your fetish. You say I'm playing hard to get, but you ain't hard to forget. You think we're more than just friends, but you're more of a regret. More of a regret. I'm a toy, I'm an object. I don't deserve any respect. It's my fault, I guess I asked for it. In my place again, I'm under you even in bed. Pay me less cause I'm worthless. I'm no deeper than my flesh. And since you're here is elected, you can choke on your fetish.
Зашли. Ломаем, ломаем, право. Еще раз внимательно сейчас ломаем.
Ну, ГЦ что-то очень.
Трахать, есть секс, есть секс!
Страй, блядь.
Оу, нахуй.
А, пацаны, хард атак.